Do that again. It's pretty dope.
This is a bird, the sound of a bird. And even he discovered what kind of bird is that. It's the Quetzal bird with Q, you know, Quetzal. If you have the chance on YouTube, there are some videos, okay? So you can listen the bird and you can compare with this sound. And it sounds exactly the same, huh?
So that is a bird.
That's a bird.
So he imitates us.
No. There's no bird. No.
No.
Shoot.
Now,
Bird. Oh, I thought it was a real bird.
That was adorable, by the way.
now just think
That's
about
me.
this, huh? Just think about this. The Mayas that record the sound on a stone for life. Can you imagine you're recording the sound of a bird on a house for life? You're telling the architects, okay, you better do it. I want to listen the sound of my sacred bird on that wall. That's very confusing, huh? You can imagine this. There was like a seminar, no? And this person was telling us the information about this. And of course, there was people asking too many questions, no? There was a person asking, so do you think the Mayas did this on purpose or it's just coincidence? No? And he just said, in my opinion, this is not coincidence. The Mayas did it on purpose. But what was the idea to have something like this? I mean, this sound. And this person said to communicate the people when they wanted to have like a ceremony. And he said like the Catholic churches, they have the bells. So this was something like that.
Okay.
To tell the people about ceremonies, about any ritual, no? And there was a person asking how the Mayas did it. And he just said, to be honest with you, with all the technology we have on these days, we don't know how to make something like this.
We still don't know how to do it? That's bonkers.
Can you believe it? Can you imagine you're recording a sound of a bird?
Yeah.
Now, when you listen to the bird making this sound, every time he makes the sound, you're gonna see on the video the feathers moving like this. And when the Quetzal is flying, the bird, the long feathers are making the shape of a snake with feathers. So in Maya, a snake with feathers, Kukulkan.
Right.
That's the name of this temple,
Right.
Kukulkan temple. So Kukulkan is the snake with feathers. That's the connection, huh?
Yeah.
Kukulkan. So this is something amazing, huh?
Yeah.
And you can listen this on each side of the pyramid.
Even the non-renovated side? On the other side?